Hello everybody, welcome back to Bernzomatic Labs. My name is Tom, I'm an engineer here with Bernzomatic. Today we're going to be talking about the differences between our primary fuel sources, butane, propane, and MAPPRO. We'll start off with our butane. Butane is primarily used in our small refillable torches that you'll use around the house for lighting candles and things like that, small cooking projects or electrical soldering. Butane's perfect for these kinds of projects because it has a much lower heat output than the propane or the MAPPRO gases. Moving on to propane, this is going to be your all-purpose fuel around the house. We sell it in two form factors, one primarily for appliances, one primarily for handheld torch use. They do have the same fuel and the same connection on top, so you can use a handheld torch with the green one, but it may be a little less comfortable to hold due to the different diameters between the two. Propane has a higher heat output than butane, which makes it great for most tasks around the house, including plumbing, soldering, and other DIY repairs, woodworking, cooking, and lighting your campfires outside. Finally, we have our MAPPRO. MAPPRO has a more focused heat output than propane, which allows you to get tasks like soldering done much more quickly. It's also required if you have a higher heat output task like brazing or cutting. Thanks again for your time today. For more information, visit bernzomatic.com.